Hey guys, what's going on? It's Colin here again. Today we're back with a hit and miss engine. This is a 1930's economy?
Yeah.
We're gonna see. Go ahead and fire this up. For those of you guys who've never seen one of these before, they're pretty cool. Basically what you have here is you have these fly weights, and as this spins, these spin around here, the weights fly out, and that holds your exhaust push rod open, which kills compression so that they coast and coast and coast, and then when the weights slow down, they come back in, and then the exhaust push rod happens and it fires, and then that kicks and it just keeps going. So it only hits every once in a while. It's pretty cool. Water cooled. You got an atmospheric intake valve here and an igniter. No, the magneto, sorry. That's pretty cool. Your gas tank's down here in the bottom. Fill it up there. Drip oiler and all that stuff. These are just grease cups, right?
Yep.
Pretty cool.
Let's see if she'll fire it.
Sure.
That's what we're doing. We'll turn the throttle back up a little bit. And this is the rod to retard the timing, to make it start easier. Let's see. Give it about 3/4 of a turn of fuel. So give it a little choke, see what happens.
Come on. There you go. Runs nice smoothly. So now it's coasting or missing, then it hits every once in a while. Take a look at these governors here. You see how those work. I love these things because you can see all the mechanisms and everything running. I gotta get my hands on one of these one day. This isn't my engine. This is my buddy Brad's. You want to say hi? So this is your latch out finger here, controlled by those governor balls. Richen it up a little bit. Pretty cool. It's a smooth running engine. You just shut him down by holding that latch finger in. Pretty cool. Want to shut her down?
Yeah, shut it down. Start with the other.
Yeah, cool. Well, there you guys go. That's a hit and miss engine for you. Got a couple other ones here we're going to fire up, but I'll do separate videos on those. So thank you guys for watching. If you like what you see, hit the little like and subscribe buttons. Feel free to leave a comment if you have one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. There we go. Alright, so...
Here's Colin. He's going to give it a shot firing up the old economy.
Cool.
Alright.
Oh man.
Oh, it might be a little flooded.
A little flooded? Ran good when you did it.
It ran good at one time.
Sure it's flooded and not leaned out?
I don't know. You can try to choke it again. we got the valve open, right?
Yeah.
Alright, she gotta go.
Ready?
Yeah, you all filled up. We might have flooded it.
Oh, there we go.
There we go. Alright, yeah, she's flooded.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah.
Probably just flooded her out a little bit, right?
Yeah.
Not bad.